poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a bottom money to my Robin. I'm official, on a dotty. You can hear the vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. Sing like these bitches do. You could see it in my pictures, bitches, nothing new. I ain't talking about my revenue. Blessed with every second that I get to do exactly what I dreamed of when I was a little kid. It's a dream.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Frontal, and I'm back at it with another video. And today's video is in collaboration with BestHairBuy. Shout out to BestHairBuy. If you guys enjoy my content, be sure to subscribe to the channel and be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well. And let's just go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the packaging that it came in. And so the wig comes with these cute little hair accessories. I don't really know exactly what they're called, but they're super cute. They're like little charms that you clip on your braids. Girl, they are fire. Like, so damn cute. And there's so many different types in this case as well. And this is the unit that came in the box. And it didn't look like this at first. I was like playing around with it before I started the video. Alright you guys, so it came with this cute bag as well that you can store your hair in, and of course a wig cap. And it also came with a card, basically like, you know, just tell you how to take care of your hair. Alright you guys, so Best Buy Hair is having like a Christmas promotion. If you spend $149 or more, you get this cute little gift bag. You get the bag itself, right? And then it also comes with like this silk bonnet. And then it comes with this cute little hairbrush. It kind of looks like a mirror compact. This is really cute, y'all. And it also comes with a pair of I was going to say eyelashes. All right, you guys. So this is what the unit is looking like. Now this is their side part braided knotless lace frontal wig. Now this wig is 28 inches. It's in the color 1B. Now it has braids in the front and it has plaits in the back, so not the whole wig is not braided. This unit is a 13 by 5 if I didn't already say it. And it also came with baby hairs as well. And it came with 2 combs on the sides and a comb at the nape and also an adjustable strap. Now I went ahead and did my ball cap method off camera. Child, I don't even know what to say about it, but I think it came decent. This was actually my first time doing a ball cap method because you can actually see the stocking cap through the hair. You can see the stocking cap through the wig, you know, like the parting and stuff, without the ball cap method. So you need to do a ball cap method with this unit, or if you can finesse it, girl, do your thing. All right guys, so I went ahead and I'm starting to cut the lace off. And you guys, you do not need to use any adhesive or glue or any kind of spray or anything if you don't want to, because this wig does come like already kind of snugged, so you can definitely go glueless, but I'm a little extra, so I wanted to like really secure it down. And I am using my Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray. Alright guys, so I'm just tying my hair down for about 5 to 10 minutes with my adjustable, what is this called? Adjustable strap? Yeah, I think this is adjustable strap as well that I got from Michael's. And I just tie it down just to melt that lace into the skin. Alright guys, so this unit came with plenty of baby hairs. Now, one thing I didn't like about a unit, it was just too many baby hairs for me, girl. Like, I don't like all these baby hairs like this, but it doesn't take away from the unit at all. The unit is still beautiful. I went in with mousse that I normally do, but for some reason my baby hairs will not lay down with the mousse, so I went in with the Got To Be Glue, but in the black bottle. Yeah, girl, I was getting frustrated. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and I applied more mousse just to lay down any kind of flyaways, and now I'm just going to apply the cute little accessories. This is literally my favorite part, y'all. Like, I just love hair accessories. It's so cute. I love accessories in general. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. It literally took only probably about 10 minutes to apply this unit besides the baby hairs. Yeah, you guys, this unit is super easy to apply. It's not time consuming at all. Instead of spending like hours in a salon, girl, bam, you got 10 minutes. You can throw this on and go. This unit is very lightweight at all. It doesn't weigh a lot, and it's so realistic. But yeah, you guys, that is all that I have for y'all. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comments below. And sending everybody love and light and peace.
See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a Gotti. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far, I'm not sorry.